6:43 this morning. Really, in many parts of the country, not a whole lot going on, especially the eastern U.S., even the East Coast, where there was some rain overnight. A lot of it starting to slide offshore because a cold front is working offshore. But you could actually trace that front all the way back through northern Florida. Kind of see that lightest line of green and clouds and trace it all the way back into South Texas. This is a front, though, that is falling apart, and it's not very strong. About all it's going to do is not going to cause our temperatures to drop any, but it's not going to let us warm up very much. The clouds have been getting thicker, and a little bit later on this morning, some showers will start to pop up. I think the first opportunity we have at seeing a stray shower is about 8 o'clock this morning, so we're not too far away from a couple of showers starting to pop up. But though it's going to be cloudy during the morning hours, I don't think the best chance of rain starts until around lunchtime. I think around noon is when we'll see a little bit more activity. And I think our window for having the best chance of seeing rain is about noon to 4 o'clock this afternoon. You'll see a little more green around, some light to moderate showers. There are going to be some breaks, though, but that's the period where I most recommend you carry an umbrella, because there'll definitely be some in the valley encountering some rain. It's going to be cooler today than yesterday. Highs are mainly going to be in the upper 70s. Notice by the time we get to 8 o'clock this evening, back to not much going on. Yes, there's the opportunity for a stray shower or sprinkle even till about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, but not a lot. It's looking like a mainly dry night with just a few showers around. And by tomorrow morning, I think already we could see a little bit of sun starting to come back. I don't think it's going to happen today. I think today is just going to be a cloudy day. A little bit of sun to start the day tomorrow. No rain around. And I think the clouds will get thinner as the day goes on. Dry air will still keep trying to work in here. So we'll see the clouds thin around lunchtime. And I do think a good chunk of the afternoon tomorrow is going to be partly cloudy. And already, because the sun will be back, we're going to be warming back up. It'll be in the low 80s. But low 80s with comfortable humidity. So not a bad day at all. And today's not terrible, just certainly not a very pretty day. And I do encourage you to carry the umbrella with you, especially for the early and mid-afternoon hours. But already a few showers could start popping up around 8 a.m. Cloudy day with the highs around 77. There'll be somewhat of a breeze, 10 to 15 miles per hour, but I wouldn't call it even a breezy day. Winds out of the east tonight, mostly cloudy. Still a few showers around, but I do think more will stay dry than see rain, and lows will reach around 64. We got to talk about the weekend. I know it's still early. It's only Tuesday, but everybody wants to know what's going on the weekend. And in this case, big changes could be happening over the course of the weekend. I definitely want to kind of highlight this for you. Even though it's still early, things could still change. This temperature on Saturday could fluctuate. This temperature on Sunday could fluctuate. And the exact chances of rain could fluctuate. But we can just tell you a general idea of what's going to happen. We think it's going to be dry during the day on Saturday, but a strong cold front's going to arrive Saturday night. So the showers will return. And then it looks like they're going to continue through the day on Sunday. Sunday, again, during the daytime hours, looks significantly wetter than what we're going to see on Saturday, and a huge change in temperatures, too. We could go from 87 on Saturday to just 60. Kind of a chilly day on Sunday. That is a strong cold front for you. So this is really going to be the thing after we get through today, this little weak front that we're going to be talking about for the rest of the week. And again, there's still the opportunity for some changes depending on the exact time the cold front gets here. But right now it looks like Saturday night. So we cool down to 58 and then barely warm up at all as cold air continues to work in during the day. A cloudy day, a breezy day. In fact, things do look breezy starting on Thursday and then continuing through the weekend. I kind of skipped talking about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday because there's really nothing going on. It's just going to be partly cloudy with pretty nice weather. Upper 80s on Saturday, then the big change, and it looks like we will stay cool into the beginning of next week. The rain chance ends Monday morning, and the sun will return Monday afternoon, but highs only around 68 on your First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast. More news coming up in just a bit.